Hi, what's up viewers? So today we're in Mahabaleshwar, which is one of the most frequented hill stations around Pune and Mumbai, and we absolutely love it. But the change is that today we're going to explore this city in the most unheard way, going through all the naturistic routes to different exposure and different exploration of the wildlife, the flora and the fauna, and very experiential, right from starting our day with a forest trek.
We started a group named as Explore Bhilar. So what was Explore Bhilar? So Explore Bhilar is all about exploring some unexplored points which are specifically located in Bhilar. So Bhilar is a books village, India's first and world's second.
Yes.
So the whole concept, like when we were small, we used to visit this very beautiful places like some caves, some ancient temples. There were very beautiful sunset points, which are 100% unexplored, and they are not commercialized or they are not listed on any Google Maps or anything. So from childhood we used to visit that specific places. So it's not about the trek, it's about experience which you're going to get, like connecting to yourself first via yoga or meditation, and a home cooked breakfast at end of the trek. So that is satisfying.
That's amazing. And even like y'all do stargazing and all, right?
Yeah, so there are lot of activities like stargazing is the must-do activity. So
Okay.
it is not just about stargazing, but there are lot of nocturnal animals. So nocturnal in the sense they have a fear of humans. So we take you from our jeep to a specific certain dens first. So we have our beds over there, and there's a very beautiful pond, lake. So from lake we put our beds hardly 200 meters far from the lake. So you can sleep, you can gaze the stars, and if we are lucky, then the animals come at that pond for drinking the water in the evening. So that is a whole. We also serve hot chocolate in the evening under the open sky.
Wow.
So it's a very beautiful experience.
So like हमारे पास waterfall treks है, okay. So which is Bhilar waterfall trek. Then we have stargazing.
So we explore the trek and the Wilson Point with you. The next thing we're going to explore is Gurushparsh, and then the last thing we're going to explore is the caves. So with some strawberry picking. So that's what our day is going to be, and that is a unique thing to do in Mahabaleshwar.
हाँ, तो ये वन विभाग जो है वो महाबलेश्वर के अंडर आता है. तो ये लिंगमाला फॉरेस्ट है, और ये लिंगमाला फॉरेस्ट कम्स इन द गुरेगर फॉरेस्ट. तो इट ऑक्यूपाइज 200 acres ऑफ फॉरेस्ट हियर.
Let's go.
सो आरण्य का हाइट्स ये जो नेम है, तो द आरण्य का वेद विच वॉज रिटन इन आरण्य मीन्स फॉरेस्ट. सो वो जो वेद है वो स्पिरिचुअलिटी और फिलोसॉफी पर बेस है. तो फिर हमारा मोटिव ही आरण्य का हाइट्स का स्पिरिचुअलिटी स्प्रेड करना है. तो दैट वाज द रीजन व्हाई वी टुक द नेम आरण्य का हाइट्स.
That's great. And what are the animals that we can expect inside?
So animals like Indian bison
Okay.
and royals. So these are the two animals which usually people from Mahabaleshwar sees in the forest.
Okay, perfect. Cool. And how long is the trek?
So the trek is of 2 hours.
Oh, wow. So here's a temple built over several years ago. It's built from the same rock that you can see. It's hand carved and it's supremely old. So these are the woods. It's like a huge space full of these pine trees, and we're walking in it. These places are the places only the locals would know, nobody else would. Hi, we're doing early morning yoga in the midst of the forest with the pine trees. It's super experiential. beaches. It's all, and then he's gonna take us through experiencing the sound and the entire forest atmosphere that we are in, and yoga nidra, and then wake up just opening our eyes to the golden rays of the green trees. Okay, while we couldn't see the Indian bison, but here are the foot marks of the animal, which means they are here and they've crossed just some time ago. Yeah, they're quite fresh. And now we will all be heading to Wilson Point. So we have almost reached, and this is the view. With there more 5 minutes to go, but now we've trekked and all the way through the forest, so we're heading to the Wilson Point. And Rohan will tell us a bit more about this place.
सो लाइक हम लोग जब से लोकली जितना भी टाइम हमने स्पेंड किया है महाबलेश्वर में, आई थिंक द बेस्ट पॉइंट इज़ द विल्सन पॉइंट. यू कैन सी द अमेजिंग सनराइज, यू हैव द mesmerizing view with
Wow.
Venna Lake and all. Yeah.
Wow.
So must visit point is the Wilson Point.
हाय काका, तुम्ही आम्हाला सांगतात का काय स्पेशल अबाउट दिस फूड?
स्पेशल म्हणजे आपल्याकडे असं असतं की 2 तास अगोदर ऑर्डर घेतली जाते. कारण काय आहे की भाजी वगैरे सगळे फ्रेश आपल्याकडे होती आणि ते फ्रेश जेवण सगळं आपण बनवतो. त्यासाठी वेळ पण लागतो आपल्याला असं.
Thank you. So here we are enjoying farm to table experience, which is actually from the farm, so that you have to order 2 hours before, so they can actually go to the farm, pluck whatever that you've asked for, and make the meal specially for you. So each meal is based and made based on the order that you place. So I'm super excited. I've ordered egg thali. So let me try. The masala is really good. So now we're heading for the trek, and we're super excited of how it goes. And this trek will lead us to the water stream or the waterfall nearby. So come, let's see.
We are strong in every side. Like strong in the view first, which is the great thing we have in the property. Second, we have amazing food.
Oh yeah, that I agree.
And you can go in the farm, you can pluck berries and even the vegetables, and you can give in the kitchen and you can cook. So we are 100% pure food kind of thing. We have open jeep safaris in the evening. So there's a waterfall which flows from the property, so you can have your fish pedicure done. We have open air movie night here in the evening. You can have your private bonfire and private barbecue done.
Thank you. Bye.